In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable multi-language support in Crisp Live Chat. Let's start with what multi-language support means in Crisp. The chat box can automatically recognize a visitor's preferred language based on their browser settings. That means if someone visits your site with their browser set to Spanish, French, or any of the 60-plus languages Crisp supports, the chat interface will adapt to that language. This is great for delivering a seamless, localized experience without any manual work on your end. And if you ever need complete consistency, say your audience is primarily in one region, you also have the option to force a specific language manually. We'll focus on enabling automatic detection so your chat can speak to users in their own language. First, open your Crisp dashboard and log in. Once you're in, head to Settings. This is where you manage the behavior and appearance of your chat box. If you've never explored this area before, don't worry. Everything we need is grouped logically, so it's easy to find. Inside Settings, look for Chat Box Settings, then open Chat Box Appearance. This section controls the visual presentation of your widget along with language behavior. It's the right place to adjust how your chat looks and how it adapts to users around the world. Now let's enable automatic language detection. In the chat box appearance area, locate the chat box language option. Open that and select Auto Detect. With Auto Detect turned on, Crisp will use the visitor's browser language to display the chat in the most appropriate language automatically. This instantly helps international visitors feel understood and increases the likelihood that they'll engage with your support team. A quick note on what this accomplishes. When Auto Detect is selected, the system checks the browser's language preferences and switches the chat box interface accordingly. This doesn't change your team's internal workspace language, it just adjusts what your visitors see. If your brand requires a specific language at all times, remember that you can choose a fixed language instead of Auto Detect. That option is handy for sites targeted to a single language audience or for campaigns that must maintain strict consistency. That's all you need to enable multi-language support in Crisp. By allowing the chat box to adapt automatically, you create a smoother experience for global visitors while keeping setup simple on your end. Thanks for watching and enjoy giving your customers a chat experience that feels native from the very first message.